Listen, yo, when I was down, it was nothing to you. And now I'm up now, I guess it means something to you. They're like, why you so angry? Cause I got something to prove. Yeah, cause I got something to prove. Everyone's like Christian, in your heart, in your talented. But fuck that, I wanna disappear like Madeline. Yeah, I'll be savaging. Bitch! But not like 21. I need a bitch, I get another one. Cause it's a cycle. I'm a smooth criminal just like Michael. I hit a 3-point just like MJ. And I soon get green like Dende. Put your hands together, even if you ain't no sensei. And I'm acting really just like press play. Yeah, listen. Yo, listen, yeah, let me state some facts. Anything I said in anger, I don't take that back. Yeah, I'm hot like a sauna, babe. Yo, smoke that marijuana, babe. And I might leave Marvin, babe. And your personality bold like tomorrow, Jay. So I'm gonna give you part 3 for another day.